You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly in Chinese. Let's break it down. Many in English say that the pronunciation is as Xintong, Xintong, but it's not quite correct. In Chinese Mandarin, it's pronounced more as Xintong, Xintong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.